Look at this Tacoma. Mira cómo está. Ven acá. Come over here. No nerf bars. No roof racks. No door visors. No bed cover. No bed mat. Factory floor liners. I want you to see how it's gonna look now with the TFP full package. Installing the rail system. Mira, los rieles de la tapa. Primero que nada, mira, the factory holes. I'm gonna show you the process now, how we relocate the factory rails. No drilling, no nothing. Look. Mira, in the factory holes, press down firmly. Ajustamos los 4 brackets. Mira qué fácil instalar esta tapa. Easy installation, guys. You can do this yourself like in 40 minutes. Placing that rail on top. Look at this, guys. We aligned these brackets to the holes, so you can go ahead and screw that in through the factory hole. Press down. Whoop. We got the big guns here too. It's not only foam. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. A lot of good things coming. Me fui 5 minutos y llegué, mira. Ya tienen la tapa montada, mira esto, look at this. The TonnoFlip hard folding tonneau cover. Look at this. Mira. Mira el bed mat. Esto, mira. It's installing the roof racks, TFP door visors too. Vamos a ver qué más. Alfombra TonnoFlip interior mats. It's kind of dark here, but I see something. The rear mats, all of it, mira. Oh. Cubierta completamente. We are done with this Toyota Tacoma. I'm gonna show you, mira, the operation of the tonneau cover, mira. Aluminum panels, hard tri folding, 100% access to your bed. Mira, mira el bed mat ahí también, como se ve, te cubre the whole bed. Mira, lifetime warranty, remember. The nerf bars, the TonnoFlip roof racks, the TonnoFlip door visors. Look how flush they look. Mira cómo se ven completamente flat y negrito, mira. Let me show you something else. The interior mats, las alfombras de interior, mira cómo cubren el piso completo. I'm gonna show you here the back. Mira cómo se ve completamente the edges covered, the whole floor. Remember, if you're looking for the best interior mats, you can get them on our website, TonnoFlip.com. And if you like pickup trucks, you make sure you subscribe to this channel, TonnoFlip.